Today in this video I will share with you how to white hair to black permanently naturally with cucumber and lemon at home. Friends, definitely try this amazing video. Before starting, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. First, I need cucumber. Cucumber benefits for hair. Cucumber is well known globally for its numerous nutritional benefits to the skin, nails, and hair. This crunchy and lightly flavored fruit has been used, not just as an edible vegetable, but as an organic beauty product which took the beauty industry by storm a few years ago. In this article, we will discuss the benefits of cucumber for hair and how it nourishes and enhances its beauty. The entertainment industry has done a great job of creating awareness of cucumber slices through movies, social media, magazines, etc. They show women with 2 cucumber slices placed on their eyes during beauty sessions. Could these slices of cucumber be of any good use, or are they being used for decorative purposes as is always associated with the media industry? Second, I need lemon. Mix it well. We have to mix it well. How to use. Apply on white hair and leave it 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, rinse hair by normal water. Apply only 3 days in a week. Apply about 3 to 4 weeks to get result. If you like this video, please like, comment, share.